The most inexpensive and fastest way to update a kitchen is to paint your kitchen a lighter color. I've gone for a semi-gloss white for my cabinets and a light eggshell. Before I forget, I did use wood filler to fill in the holes for the previous cabinet handles and then painted it white. And here, this folder divider, I hole punched it to help with the marking of where I would drill to make sure that all the handles were symmetrical and the same distance vertically and horizontally. The hardwood came with two different size screws, one for a thicker cabinet which had a longer screw, and one for a thinner cabinet which was much shorter. I ended up using the smaller one. However, it was still too small for the thickness of my cabinet, so I ended up using a drill bit to decrease the thickness of the cabinet so that I could use the smaller screws. So you might have to do that, and it is an option. It actually helps with the stability of the handle so that it doesn't move around. And I used the drill bit on the back side of the cabinet door so that it wasn't visible. If you do paint your cabinets, make sure you number them with tape in the back, since the cabinet doors are not always interchangeable. And if it's your first time doing this, for the initial first doors that you do take it slow to avoid any mistakes, and then once you get into a routine, you can pick up the pace. And this is the final look after painting the cabinets white and adding the new cabinet handles. And if you're interested on how to do the brick backsplash, there's also another video for that.